Hello mga kados, magandang araw. For today's video ay sasamahan niyo akong umuwi ng Pilipinas. Charis. Pagpasensyahan niyo na yung aking background dahil po ay dito sa Cebu ay bumabagyo. Maaga akong hinatid sa airport dahil nga ay yung driver may trabaho pa siya kinabukasan at si Printita naman ay may pasok siya ng maaga. Pagdating ko sa airport mga kadods, nakapag-check-in naman ng maaga ang person at eto pagkatapos ko ay nag-antay muna kami dito sa may antayan. May antayan, ano yun? Sakay ng bus. Bala na sabat naman mga kadods kung ano yung mga pinagsasabi ko. Basta yun na yun. Basta ayun, napakalapit ko talaga dito sa TV na malaki sa screen para hindi talaga ako maiwan. Huy. So, alas 5 yung flight ko mga kadods at alas 4 na naman yung aming boarding time. So, habang inaantay ko yung aming boarding time mga kadods, ako muna ay nakaupo dito. Meron akong kasamang hindi ko alam kung ano siya, pero feeling ko parang Ethiopia siya. So, mga kadods, for the pila ng mga person dahil nga ay alas 4 na po ito. At ito, napakahaba ng pila. At saka feeling ko mabilis na. So, ito, for the go na mga person, nakasakay na ng train. Akala ko tuloy-tuloy na talaga to pero hindi pa pala. Bumalik kami kung saan kami galing at nag-change kami ng eroplano dahil nga ay may sira daw yung eroplano na dapat ay sasakyan namin. So ayan, sobrang late ng aming flight as in sobrang delayed, mga 1 oras at kalahati yun. Mga kados, after ng 2 beses na palipat-lipat kami ng gate, ayan, for the go ng mga person. Eto na talaga yun as in talagang for the go na. Huy, kahit pagod na pagod at sobrang antok na talagang person dito ay talaga namang meron pa ring excitement na nagaganap sa aking puso. Huy! So ayun mga kados, nakapasok na tayo dito sa aeroplano, Saudia Airline and CR check. Eto na yung CR nila, napakaliit lang naman din at naka-medyas ang person. Huy! Ako talaga sasakyan ng aeroplano, hinuhubad ko yung aking sapatos. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, hindi ako komportable. So ito yung first meal ng Saudia Airline, hindi ko alam kung anong oras na tumakados dahil sobrang antok ko pa talaga as in antok at saka gutom yung aking nararamdaman. Huy, after a long hours mga kados na nakaupo sa aeroplano as in ito na talaga. Tayo ay bababa na ng aeroplano. Touchdown Manila! Pagkaba namin ng aeroplano mga kados, dumiretso na kami sa immigration at kailangan pa rin ipakita yung iyong passport at iyong e-travel. Kailangan pa rin mag-register sa e-travel mga kados. Pagkatapos ko doon ay ito, kiniklaim ko na yung aking mga bag or baggage, bagahe. Hindi pa doon natatapos yung aking flying illusion. Kailangan ko pang lumipat ng isang aeroplano pa para papuntang Dipolog City, which is not my province dahil nga ay yung province ko ay Pagadian City pero hindi ako uuwi doon.
Our flying time would be approximately 1 hour and 10 minutes and we will be climbing to our cruising altitude of 38,000 feet and expect cloudy weather during the flight. To be care for safety, please take side seats as soon as possible to facilitate our departure and keep your seatbelts fastened at all times. As we may experience unexpected turbulence during the flight. We will update you with the latest arrival information as we get closer to our destination. Thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Mabuhay.
Please keep them first near you. May put them in a seat pocket or under the seat and protect at all times. Please wait for the announcement before charging our portable charge devices such as cell phones and laptops. Please notify the cabin crew if you notice any abnormality or signs of overheating of your portable charge device or lithium-ion battery.
Pasalamat sa ating mabuhay milers sa patuloy na pagtangkilik sa ating flag carrier. Hinihiling namin sa lahat ng ating mga pasahero na manatili lamang sa kanilang itinakdang upuan sa kabuuan ng ating lipad. Ayon sa mandato ng Civil Aviation Regulations, kung kayo ay nakaupo sa exit row, mangyaring basahin ang passenger briefing card. Kung nais ninyong lumipat ng upuan, agad na ipagbigay alam sa inyong mga cabin crew. Isang karangalan na kami ay makapaglingkod sa inyo ngayong araw na ito. To tighten, pull loose end of the strap. To loosen, tilt buckle and pull. To unfasten, lift top of buckle. Pull free and to release. If you are with an infant, fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seats or in the middle of your armrest. On water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take tape around your waist. Push end to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the inflation cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth tubes. Push fin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen masks will drop from above you. Remove your face coverings. Immediately grab the mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band for a snug fit and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you are advised to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you need assistance, put your mask on first before assisting them. The emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency lights and path markings will lead you to these exits during an evacuation. Time, as clear air turbulence may occur during the flight. Kindly use the lavatories designated for your section. Tampering with a lavatory smoke detector is prohibited by law. This is a non-smoking flight. Both smoking and vaping are not permitted. We encourage you to keep an eye on your belongings and ensure your valuable items are secure throughout the flight. If you need assistance or have questions, please don't hesitate to ask any member of our cabin crew.